Okay guys, so the one physical property that we haven't really gone over yet is streak, right? And streak, by definition, is the color of the mineral in its powdered form. So we've said that color, is it a good or bad physical property as far as being reliable to identify minerals?
Bad.
Bad is right, except in some circumstances, such as our chalcopyrite mineral. But the streak of a mineral is actually very reliable. So to test the streak of a mineral, we're going to use our porcelain plate, or our streak plate. Now, to test that, we simply take a mineral, take chalcopyrite, and we rub it along the streak plate until we have a nice streak there, a little pile of powder. So Emily, you want to give that a shot for us, please? Great. All right, so you can see that the streak of this mineral is actually very different from the color of it, right? We have a nice gold colored mineral, and then we have sort of a gray, I don't know what you call that except gray color streak. So even though we have a different surface color, that streak color is always going to be the same. Another good example of streak is this particular mineral. This particular mineral is called specular hematite, also just known as hematite. Specular is a variety of it. If I take this specular hematite and look at it, what color do you guys see there?
Sparkly black.
Sparkly black, sort of a gray silver maybe? All right, Mike, I'd like you to test the streak of this. Okay, now kind of blow on that to kind of clear off the, there you go. Now let's look and see what color we have. What color is that streak?
It's like a maroon color.
There we go, yeah, like a maroon color, sort of almost a reddish brown, right? The name of this mineral is hematite. Hematite, what's the prefix? Hema, right? What else is hema?
Hemoglobin.
Blood, hemoglobin, right? Hema is red, right? So that's why you have red blood. Also, this mineral, hematite, means that we have red, and the streak color is red. Another variety of this mineral is red hematite, which is super red. Mike, you've had some experience with red hematite. Broke up some, and it will just turn your fingers the color of your shirt. This is so red because the iron in it is rusted away. So this mineral is full of iron, and we can see that it is hematite by the color of its streak.